Okay, today we're going to talk about if you multiply a number by a fraction that is greater than 1, what do you know about the products? If you multiply a factor by a different factor, and that second factor is a fraction that is greater than 1, what do we know about the product? So let's take a look at this today. So here we have our first factor, which is 5/4. This is greater than 1 because if whatever our denominator is 4, our numerator is larger than 4, therefore this fraction is greater than 1. So we have the first factor is greater than 1 multiplied by a number, and this got covered up because my younger brother was eating supper last night and he spilled some mustard over the top of it, so I have no idea what it is. So what's going to be true about the product then? Well, that's what we need to figure out. And I am not sure. So let's just do some examples so we can think about this. So if I first take this fraction and change it to a fraction that's less than 1. And I'm just going to choose some number that we can use that'll be the same for every one. So this fraction now is less than 1 multiplied by a different factor, and that equals 5/4, which is equivalent to 1 and 1/4. So what can I say about this product? Then this product is less than this unknown factor. Right here is the unknown factor. So my product is less than the unknown factor if my fraction is less than 1. If I do a fraction that's equivalent to 1, so I have 4/4 times 5, that's going to equal 20/4, which equals 5. So now my product is going to equal the unknown factor. If that only happens when the first factor, or the fraction here, is equivalent to 1, then my product is also going to be equivalent to the unknown factor. And let's finally finish off with a fraction that is greater than 1. And this one would be 25/4, which equals 6 and 1/4. So now I look at my product. My product is larger than the unknown factor. And my product is larger than the unknown factor because my fraction, or the other factor, is larger than 1. So when my fraction is larger than 1, the product is larger than the unknown number. When my fraction is equivalent to 1, my product is equivalent to the other factor. And when my fraction is less than 1, my product is less than the unknown factor. So therefore, in this situation, I know that whatever this answer is, whatever this factor is, my product will be larger than it, because this fraction right here is greater than 1. I hope that makes sense.